the way where it goes down. Now we have to climb. Fuck. Oh. So we open the back door. Usually we drive about this speed, 80. That's about 50 miles, right? When we was parking yesterday, we didn't realize that we was parked so close to the lava bed that we was surrounded by many volcanoes last night, but we arrived a little bit late. It was already after sunset, so yeah, it's pretty interesting. This is the back side from the volcanoes where we was last night. It's quite bumpy, so we have to let out some pressure again. Thomas is already doing. This is the way where it goes down. In the tube, going down, 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 down.
Oh, bubble.
Going up again. Try number 2 with some more light.
Oh,
Pretty narrow. Have to go down. Oh, now it's perfect.
Oh, you guys have on to the bed.
Yeah, hi.
yeah.
Oh, that looks awesome.
I know, I'm sure it'll move fast too.
We are so lucky because we are on the right time. Now the people are coming. And between 11 and 1 o'clock is the best time to go in the lava tube to see how the light is coming in through the holes. There are several holes. Ooh. When the dust is coming. Okay. And it was really unique. We love it. It's so great. In the shop and buy some stuff to repair our table. Now we have fixed them but not finished, and as you can see we have a big mess. So you see, it's a mess. We have a lot of things to fix, and I guess we need about 1 or 2 days.
That part here, that should be down in the tube. Yeah, because that part is pressing the glue to that direction, to the top, and I guess that part is coming out because the heat of Nevada during the summertime was that strong or that high that the glue inside spread it out and put out the bottom here.
So during Thomas is working outside, I'm doing some cleaning inside. I have to clean the stove. It's quite dirty. I have to take out these parts and clean it. And then these parts, and it looks like yuck underneath. Wow. A lot of work, as I told you. Hello, Thomas. So we open the back door.
Together.
As you can see, now it looks cleaner, much cleaner, like this. I like it, but we are not finished. Thomas is built a new cupboard for my kitchen machine. Yeah! Good morning, everybody. It's coffee time. Oh, and Thomas has a nice hemp drink. And we still have a huge mess inside because we are here to clean everything up and make the right things. So right now it looks like this. Thomas is... Fuck. Oh. There was the nice word. Working day 3. So Thomas is doing still the cupboard. It looks already quite good. Here is it open with the slide. Yahoo! New box for my Thermomix. With slide out. And the ammonia has place as well. Yeah. Perfect. Well done.